Welcome back to Dr. Fogg's TV.
Good evening, everyone. I remain your humble Dr. Fox. So today we are looking at mathematics, arithmetic progression. That is AP, arithmetic progression. Now the first thing is for us to know the formula and understand the formula. Now the formula for the nth term of AP is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1d. This is the formula for nth term of AP. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1d. Now A is the first term. Let me write it. Where A is first term, n is number of terms, d is common difference, and common difference has its formula. The formula for common difference is t second minus t1 or t3 minus t2 or t4 minus t3. That's way you have your common difference. And my tn is the last term. So this is the formula for nth term of AP. This is the formula we're using here. Now let's move on. If the first term is A, second term is A plus D. Now n is number of terms. For easy understanding, I call it position. Now if you are told to find the second term, T second means that n is 2. T third means that n is 3. T fourth means that n is 4. So if the first term is A, second term is A plus D. Because second term, number of terms must be 2. It becomes 2 minus 1, 1. 1 times D, D. T third, that is third term, will be A plus 2D. Because the number of terms will be 3 minus 1, 2. A plus 2D. T fourth, fourth term will be A plus 3D. Ninth term will be A plus 8D. 10th term will be A plus 9D. 6th term will be A plus 5D. Because you are subtracting 1 from the number of terms. So very quickly we move to our number 1. They said, what is the 23rd term? That means n is what? 23. Of the arithmetic progression, minus 7, minus 3, and 1. So my first term is A minus 7. Common difference is D. That is second term minus first term, which is what? Minus 3 minus 7. This is the second term, minus 3. Then minus what? Minus 7. First term. So my common difference is minus 3. Now, minus times minus is plus. So common difference is minus 3 plus 7, 4. So I can solve my question. Cn is A plus n minus 1d. So T23rd, my A is minus 7 plus 23 minus 1 times 4. Why is it 23? Because I'm looking for the 23rd term. So my T23rd, because minus 7 plus 23 minus 1 is 22, multiplied by 4. My T23rd, because minus 7 plus 88, T23rd becomes 81. That's the first question. Number 2, find the number of terms, that is n, in the arithmetic progression. My A is 2. That's the first term. My common difference is T2 minus T1. So my common difference here is what? Minus 9 minus 2. T second is minus 9 minus 2. So my common difference is what? Minus 11. Of course, if I do minus 20 minus 9, that minus 20 plus 9, that will still give you what? Minus 11. So, and my last term, Tn, is what? Minus 141. Now, in your number of terms, in your AP, your progression, any number you have after the dot is your what? Last term. That means, if there were to be a number here, here will be my last term. This is also my what? Last term. So, my formula remains Cn equals to A plus n minus 1d. Last term minus 141 equals to my A is 2 plus n minus 1 times d, common difference, minus 11. Minus 141 equals to 2 plus minus 11 times n will give me minus 11n. Minus 11 times minus 1 will give me plus 11. Minus 141 equals to 2. Now, plus times minus, minus. Plus times plus, plus. Minus 141. 2 plus 11 is 13 minus 11n. From there, I collect my like terms. Minus 141 minus 13 equals to minus 11n. Minus 141 minus 13, that is minus 141 minus 13, that is minus 154 equals to minus 11n. In this case, minus cancel minus, divide by 11, divide by 11. 11 cancel 11, abi? So divide by 11. Here I have what? My n to be what? 14. My n is 14. So I move to number 3. Find the common difference, that is d, in the arithmetic progression, given that the first term and 28th term, first term minus 14, 28th term is minus 5, and I'm looking for the common difference. My formula still remains what? Cn equals to A plus n minus 1d. Now here, I'm working with T28. So which means that T28 equals to A plus what? N minus 1 what? D. Now T28 is minus 5. A is minus 14 plus, minus 14 plus my number of terms becomes what? 28 minus 1 and I have what? D. Minus 5 equals to minus 14 plus 27d. For that like terms, minus 5 plus 14 equals to 27d. Minus 5 plus 14, that should give me 9 equals to 27d. Divide by 27, divide by 27. 27 cancel 27, 9 here 1, 9 here 3. So my d is 1/3. Then I move to number 4. The first term of an AP is 8. A is 8. If the 10th term is double the second term, T10th is double T2nd. T10th is double is 2. So T10th is double T2nd. 10th term is double. That is T10 is twice T2nd. Now my T10, let's say what? Find the common difference. My T10 is A plus 9d. Don't forget, my n was 10. That is 10 minus 1 equals to 2. My T2nd becomes what? A plus d. Now A is what? 8. This is 8 plus 9d equals to 2 bracket 8 plus d. Here is 8 plus 9d. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times d, 2d. So collect like terms. 8 minus 16 equals to 2d minus 9d. 8 minus 16 is minus 8. 2d minus 9d minus 7d. Minus cancel minus. Divide by 7, divide by 7. This cancel this. My D is what? 8/7. That is 3 and 4. So you are moving to number 5 and number 6. The second, third, and fourth term of an AP are x minus 2, 5 and x plus 2. This is x minus 2. This is 5 and x plus 2. Now this is x minus 2. Yes, T second, T third, and T fourth. Now in this case, I will use common difference method. Whenever something is missing in your progression, use common difference method. Look at number 1. My progression here is complete, but here we have x here, which means that what is not complete. So here becomes what? T third minus T second is equals to T fourth minus T third. So this minus this equals to this minus this. Here is 5 minus x minus 2 equals to x plus 2 minus 5. So here is 5 minus times plus minus times minus plus equals to x plus 2 minus 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes, 7 minus x equals to x. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So here becomes 7 plus 3 equals to x plus x. 7 plus 3 is 10. And here is what? 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This cancel this cancel this. My x is what? 5. 6. If 8, x, y, z, and 32 is an AP, that is 8, x, y, z, and 32 is an AP. Find the value of x, y, z. Now for this, I know that my A is what? 8, first term. Now if you count it, this first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and what? Fifth term. Which means that my T fifth is 32. My formula is Tn equals to A plus what? N minus 1 what? D. If T fifth is 32, that means N is what? 5. I will now find my common difference. So here is T fifth equals to what? A plus what? N minus 1 D. Now my T fifth is 32. My A is 8 plus 5 minus 1 what? D. 32 is 8 plus 4D. 32 minus 8 equals to 4D. Now 32 minus 8 will give me 24. So here is 24 equals to 4D divided by 4 divided by 4. This cancel this cancel this. D is equals to what? 6. Now, since common difference is 6, if here is 8, here will be what? 14. Here will be what? 20. Here will be what? 26. And here is what? 32. Since the common difference is 6, that means the difference between each of the numbers is what? Is 6, which means that 14 minus 8 is 6. 20 minus 14 is 6. 26 minus 20 is 6. And 32 minus 26 is what? Is 6. So that is the first 5 word questions. So we are moving to the next first 6 questions. We are moving to the next part. So this is simultaneous linear equation of AP and of AP. Unknown A and D resulting to simultaneous linear equation. So the first question. In an AP, the 10th term, C10th, is 68. I'll call it equation 1. What is 4th term, C4th, is 26. I'll call it equation 2. Then find the common difference and the first term. Now, my T10th is 68. Here is 68 equals to A plus what? 9D. T10th. T4th, 26 equals to A plus 3D. I'll call this equation 1, equation 2. Now I can eliminate my minus. I get 9D. The formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. So T10 is 10 minus 1. T4 is 4 minus 1. So here is 68 minus 26. A minus 8 is 0 equals to 9d minus 3d. 68 minus 26, that is 42, equals to 6d. Divide by 6, divide by 6. This cancel this cancel this. My d is 7. And I'll say substitute d is equals to 7 into equation 1. Equation 1 is 68 equals to a plus 9d. So here becomes 68 equals to a plus 9 times 7. So here is 68 equals to a plus 9 times 7 is 63. So my a becomes 68 minus 63. So my a becomes 5. So therefore a is equals to 5 and d equals to what? 7. Number 2. The fourth term of an AP is 13. That is T4 is 13, equation 1. And the second term is 3. T2 is 3, equation 2. Find the common difference and the fifth term. But in this question, if I can get the fifth term, I must find the common difference and the first term. So from here is 13 equals to a plus 3d, equation 1. And here is 3 equals to a plus d. T4, T2, equation 2. So I will subtract. Elimination method. So here is 13 minus 3 equals to 3d minus d. 13 minus 3 is 10. Here will give me what? 2d. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This cancel this cancel this. My d is what? 5. Substitute. D is equals to 5 into equation. What should we use? Let's use equation 1, equation 2, sorry. So here becomes 3 equals to a plus d. 3 equals to a plus 5. Abi? So 3 minus 5 equals to a. A becomes what? Minus 2. Therefore, a is minus 2 and d is what? 5. Then they said, find the fifth term. We know that T5 is a plus 4d. Because that will be 5 minus 1. So T5 because minus 2 plus 4 times 5. T5 is minus 2 plus 20. T5 gives me 18. So that is number 1 and number 2. So move to number 3. The first term of an AP is minus 8. That is A is minus 8. And the ratio of the 7th term to the 9th term is 5:8. Ratio. That is T7 ratio T9 is 5:8. Calculate the common difference of the progression. Now, ratio means division. It means that T7 divided by T9 is 5 divided by 8. Now, T7 is A plus 6D. T9 is A plus 8D equals to 5/8. Now, my A is minus 8. So, minus 8 plus 6D divided by minus 8 plus 8D equals to 5/8. So when I cross multiply, it becomes 5, open bracket, minus 8 plus 8D equals to 8 minus 8 plus 6D. So 5 times minus 8 minus 40, 5 times 8D, that is 40D equals to 8 times minus 8 minus 64, 8 times 8D plus 48D. So here becomes 40D minus 48D equals to minus 64 plus 40. So 40D minus 48D is minus 8D. Minus 64 plus 40, that will give me minus 24. So minus cancel minus, divided by 8, divided by 8. This cancel this cancel this. D is what? 3. So we are done with this part which says unknown A and D resulting to simultaneous linear equation. Sum of an AP. This is the last part of AP. There are two formulas for sum of an AP. We have the formula for sum when you are given first and last term only. And we have the formula for sum when you are given first term and common difference. Now the formula for sum when you are given first and last term is Sn equals to n over 2 in bracket A plus L. Then the formula for sum when you are given first term and common difference is Sn equals to n over 2 open bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So we move to question 1. The first and last term of an AP are 79 and minus 5. First, that is A, 79. Last term, Cn or n is minus 5. If the sum is 814, find the number of terms. Let's start with that. Number of what? Terms. Now we're given first and last term. So I will say Sn equals to n over 2, then A plus what? N. So sum, number of terms, the sum is 814 equals to n over 2. My A is 79 plus what? N minus 5. So 814 equals to n over 2. Now give me 79. Lost times minus. Minus. So now give me 814 equals to n over 2. Now 79 minus 5. That will give me what? 74. So 814 equals to 2 here 1. 2 here give us what? 37n. So divide by 37. Divide by 37. This cancel this. So 814 divided by 37. My n is what? 22. Now, common difference. I can now say Tn is equal to A plus what? N minus 1 what? D. Now, my Tn is last term, which is minus 5. My A is 79 plus number of terms is 22 minus 1D. So minus 5 equals to 79. 22 minus 1, that is what? 21 what? D. So collect like terms, minus 5 minus 79 equals to 21D. Minus 5 minus 79 is minus 84 equals to 21D. Divide by 21, divide by 21. This cancel this cancel this. So my D becomes minus 4. So move on to number 2. Number 2. Find the sum of the first 12 terms. I'm looking for S12. My A is 2. Common difference is T2 minus T1. That is 5 minus 2. That is 3. So here, my Sn is n over 2. I have 2a plus n minus 1d. Calculate what? Sum of the first 12 terms. That means my n is what? 12. I'm looking for the sum. So I was given what? A and D. So this is my formula. So my S12 is 12 over 2. I have 2 times 2 plus 12 minus 1. And my D is what? 3. So here S12, I have 2 here 1, 2 here 6. That is 6. Then this is 4. plus 12 minus 1 is 11 times 3, 33. So my S12 is 6 times, that will give me 4 plus 33, that will give me 37. So my sum of the 12 terms is 6 multiplied by 37, that will give me 2, 2, 2. So number 3, in an arithmetic progression, the first term A is 3 and the sum of the first and sixth term is 20. Good. The sum of the first and sixth, that means T1 plus T6 is 20. What is the eighth term? Now T1 is A, T6 is A plus 5D equals to what? 20. Now A plus A is 2A plus 5D equals to 20. My A is 3, that is 2 times 3 plus 5D equals to 20. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5D equals to 20. 5D becomes 20 minus 6. 5D becomes what? 14. Divide by 5, divide by 5. This cancel this. My D is 14 over 5. Then they said find what? 8 10. So T8 is A plus 7D. C8, my A is 3 plus 7 times my D is 14 over 5. So T8 is 3 plus 7 times 14, that is 98 divided by 5. Find your LCM. C8, 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 3, 15 plus 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 98 is 98. So 15 plus 98, that is 113 divided by 5. That is T8. So we move to number 4. Number 4, the sum of the sixth term of an AP is 6. That means S6 is what? 6, equation 1. And the sum of the 18th term is 72. S18 is what? 72, equation 2. So this is unknown A and D for sum of what? AP. Now this is sum of AP leading to simultaneous equation. Because I have two statements. Sum of the system is 6. Sum of the 18th term is 72. Now my sum is Sn equals to n over 2. That is 2a plus n minus 1d. So S6 is 6. My n is what? 6 over 2. I have 2a plus n is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5d. So here 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So here becomes 6 equals to 3. I have 2a plus 5d. I divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. It becomes 2 equals to 2a plus 5d equation 1. Equation 2, S18 is 72 equals to my n was 18 over 2. I have 2a plus 18 minus 1 is 17. 17d. 2 here 1, 2 here 9. So 72 equals to 9. I have 2a plus 17d. So I divide both sides by 9 and by 9. Mind you, you can also open the bracket. Here, I can also open the bracket instead of what? Dividing, whichever way. So 9 cancel 9. 9 here 1, 9 here 8. So 8 equals to 2a plus 17d, equation 2. Let me bring my equations together. Let me bring them together. So I have what? 2 equals to 2a plus 5d equation 1, and I have 8 equals to 2a plus 17d equation 2. I can eliminate because I have my a having the same coefficient. So 2 minus 8, 2a minus 2a is 0 equals to 5d minus 17d. Yes, minus 6 equals to what? Minus 12d. Balance cancel minus, divide by 12, divide by 12.
Okay.
This cancel this, 6 here 1, 6 here 2. So my common difference is 1 over 2. That is what I was told to calculate. Let's assume I was told to calculate my first term. I can now push further and say substitute b equals to 1 over 2 into equation 1 or equation what? 2. So I move to number 5. Now, the sum of the first 12 terms is minus 96. S12 minus 96 equation 1. And the sum of the first 18 term is minus 252. S18 minus 252 equation 2. Find the common difference, the first term, then the product of the 15th and 4th term. That's a long question. So my sum is Sn equals to n over 2. I have 2a plus n minus 1d. So from there, my S12 minus 96, n is 12 over 2. I have 2a plus 12 minus 1 is 11, then 11d. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. Minus 96 equals to 6. I have 2a plus 11d. So divide both sides by 6. So 96. You have minus 16 equals to 2a plus 11d equation 1. Then the next one, S18 is minus 252. My n is 18 divided by 2. I have my 2a plus n minus 1 is 18 minus 1. That is 17d. So 2 here 1, 2 here is 9. So minus 252 becomes 9. Open bracket 2a plus 17d. Divide both sides by 9, divide by 9. So 252 divided by 9, here I have what? Minus 28. 9 cancel 9 equals to 2a plus 17d. So let me bring my equation together. So the first one is minus 16 equals to 2a plus 11d. Then I have minus 28 equals to 2a plus 17d. I can eliminate using what? Minus. So when I use minus, here becomes minus 16 minus minus 28 equals to 11d minus 17d. Minus 16 minus minus 28. So here is minus 16. Minus times minus is plus. 11d minus 17d, that is minus 6d. So minus 28 minus 16 plus 28, that is 12, equals to minus 6d. Divide by minus 6, divide by minus 6. This cancel this. So my d is what? Minus 2. So from there, we move further. Then I will say substitute. Okay, let's have it here. Now say substitute d is equals to minus 2 into equation 1. So here becomes minus 16 equals to 2a plus 11d. Here is minus 16 equals to 2a plus 11 times minus 2. Minus 16 equals to 2a. 11 times minus 2, that is minus 22. minus 16 plus 22 equals to 2a. Minus 16 plus 22, that will give me 6 equals to 2a. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 will cancel 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So my a equals to 3. Therefore, a is equals to 3, this is equals to minus 2. But we are not done. We now said, find the product of the 15th and 4th term. So I will get my 15th term and my 4th term, and I will calculate the product. So from here, my T15th is A plus 14D. So T15th is A, that is 3, plus 14 times minus 2. T15th becomes 3 plus 14 times minus 2, that is minus 28. So T15th becomes minus 25. So I move T4th is A plus 3D. So T4th, my A is 3 plus 3 times minus 2. So my T4th becomes 3 minus 6. T4th becomes minus 3. So product means to multiply. That is T15th multiplied by T4th becomes what? Minus 25 times minus 3. That will give me what? 75. That is all on question 5. So we move to question, which is the last question for the day. The first term of an AP is 3. That means A is 3. And the fifth term is 9. T5th is 9. Find the number of terms in the progression. I'm looking for n. If the sum is 81. Now sum Sn is n over 2. I have 2a plus n minus 1d. Now in the question, I have my sum, I have a, but I don't have common difference. So I will use Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d to get my common difference. And the Tn I'm using here is the T5th, which is a plus what? 4d. My T5th is 9. My a is 3 plus 4d. 9 minus 3 equals to 4d. 9 minus 3 is 6 equals to 4d. Divide by 4, divide by 4. This cancels this. So my d becomes 2 here 2, 2 here 3. My d becomes 3 over 2. My d becomes 3 over 2. So from there, I cannot guess my sum because I'm looking for the number of terms. So my Sn is 81 equals to n over 2. My a, that is 2 times 3 plus n minus 1 times 3 over 2. Here, I will cross multiply. That will be 81 times 2 equals to n. 2 times 3 is 6 plus here 3 times 2 times n, 3 over 2 times n, that is 3n over 2. Then 3 over 2 times minus 1, that is minus 3 over 2. Then here will give me 162 equals to n. Now 6 plus 3n over 2 minus 3 over 2. I'll find the LCM, which is 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 6, 12. Plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 3n, 3n. Minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 3, 3. So 162 equals to n. I have 12 minus 3. That is 9 plus 3n divided by 2. So this is 162 equals to multiply, open the bracket, 9n plus 3n squared equals over 2. N times 9 9n. N times 3n, 3n squared divided by 2. Then when I cross multiply, it becomes 162 times 2 equals to 9n plus 3n squared. 162 multiplied by 2, that is 324 equals to 9n plus 3n squared. Now, this has gotten to quadratic equation. How do I know it's quadratic? Because the highest power of my unknown is 2. Now, it's very simple. If the highest power on your unknown is 1, that is linear equation. If the highest power on your unknown is 2, that is quadratic equation. If the highest power on your unknown is 3 and above, that has gotten to polynomial. So here is quadratic equation. So I continue. So here has become 3n squared plus 9n, I'm bringing this here, minus 324 equals to 0. Let me reduce the value. Well, I'll divide all by what? 3 to reduce the value. Or multiply all 3 by 1 over 3. So here, divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 cancel 3, that is n squared, plus 3 here 1, 3 here 3, that is 3n, minus, here will give me 108 equals to 0. So here will give me 108. Now, when you want to factorize, the first thing you do, multiply a by c. This is a here, the number here. This is b, this is c. The number here is 1. So here becomes 1 times 108. That is minus 108. 1 times minus 108. That is minus 108. So here becomes what? N squared plus 3n minus 108 equals to 0. Now, I will look for two numbers such that when I multiply them together, it gives me minus 108. When I add and subtract it gives me 3n. Those numbers are 12 and 8. No, 12 and 9. 12 and 9 will give us 108 when you multiply. Now, how do you arrange the minus to give you 3n? Is it 12 minus 9, 9 minus 12, minus 12 plus 9, or minus 9 plus 12? It's simply n squared plus 12n minus 9n minus 108 equals to 0. Let me divide my board. Because 12 minus 9 is what? 3. So 12n minus 9n is 3n. I put this in brackets. What is common here is what? N. Here I have what? N plus 12. Minus 9 is common. I have n plus 12 equals to 0. So the ones hanging outside the bracket, I will put them in one bracket. That is n minus 9. Then the one in bracket, I will pick one. N plus 12 equals to what? 0. So n minus 9 equals to 0. N becomes 0 plus 9. N equals to 9. Or n plus 12 equals to 0. N becomes 0 minus 12. N becomes what? Minus 12. But therefore, my n is what? 9. Because you cannot pick negative as the final answer. So this is everything on arithmetic progression. That is AP. We started from the nth term, we moved to unknown a and r under the nth term, then we moved to sum of AP. So that is the end of today's class. Please make sure you view, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch out for the next class.